Everyone, welcome to the world of Twin Flames. And today, I am gonna, I'm making this video just to heal you all and to help you all on this journey. And if you have any query or any question, please write me in the comment section below. And so let's get started. Okay, why do we feel anxiety? Why we are always in depression? Why we are always in lower vibrations? Why we are always surrounded with negative thoughts all the time? Um, Especially during the separation phase in the twin flame journey, we do feel these things um, very much, and it really irritates or tortures us. So, what is the remedy to come out of it, or how can we overcome this thing? So, let me tell you that since my childhood, I have been surrounded by many negative elements. Means I have been experiencing um, many negativities around me. I always used to feel in during my teenage. I still remember I spent my whole teenage in depression, anxiety, pain, fear, and and I really regret about it. I really regret about it. And it increased when my separation phase happened with my twin flame. All these emotions were at their peak, were at their peak, and that time I wasn't able to understand. I used to think that this is the way I have to live for my whole life, because I was so used to with the depression, anxiety, fear of rejection, fear of acceptance, fear of fear of future, and many more. I know why these things were happening with me, because my root chakra was extremely blocked, and because of those things, I was into depression, and I was very used to. Means I got very used to with those things. I used to think that I have to spend my whole life with these things, with these kind of emotions and feelings, and it's never gonna end. It's never gonna be taken away from me. It is the way I have to live. This is my identity, that I am a girl who is depressed, who is in fear, who is in anxiety all the time, fearing of future, fearing of present, fearing about the past. But after my spiritual awakening, and after the long healing process that I went through, I can say no, this is not the way I'm supposed to live. This wasn't me. That was the blockages in my chakra, but that wasn't me. My real version is free, independent, strong, positive, and um, and passionate. This is what I am. Really, spiritual awakening has helped me so much that now my personality has become really very strong, and my aura really attracts good people, really attracts positive people or positive energy around me. So I can say yes. So it's very common to have depression, anxiety, fear, but these things increases during the separation phase, and I can say as when if I sum up all these things as a conclusion, I can say that these situations arise only because of the blockages in your chakra, and in my case, it increased during I can tell you that I spent my whole teenage in these lower energies. My whole teenage from 13 or from 13 to 19 spent um, was spent on depression, fear, anxiety. I had fears about acceptance. I used to think that if people will know about this thing about me, or if this truth about me will be revealed to others, will they accept me or will they reject me? This was my fear. I used to think I'll break the rules and behave in a certain way, will the society accept me or reject me? The dilemma between acceptance and rejection was really torturing. I used to think all the day about these things. I Unfortunately, I didn't focus on my studies where when it was highly necessary to when it was highly required. I didn't focus on my studies, my career. My whole day was spent on these stupid things. um, I used to have I used to have anxiety um, about how these things are not explainable. These things are not explainable. When you are making a video, it's not possible for you to explain or to say everything. It needs time. I hope in my upcoming videos I'll be able to explain what I have been through. And whatever I'm telling you, it's a story of my teenage time. But when I it's the story of my teenage time. And when my twin separated from me and ignored me completely, that time the depression, the anxiety, the fear were at their peak. And it I was so much distracted that I wasn't even able to. My throat chakra at that time, my throat chakra was so much blocked. My that I wasn't even able to express what I was feeling. I used to have my heart used to pain all the time. My throat chakra was extremely blocked. The pain in my heart was so extreme, but I wasn't able to even explain it because of the blocked throat chakra. I used I was I was in the fear of judgment. I thought that if I tell it to others, they won't understand it because they have never been through this. So they'll judge me and they'll call me a psycho or a mad. And they will not talk to me, or they will not understand me or judge me, and this will definitely bother me. This will definitely create more pain in my heart. So those were the things. And the indifferent behavior of my twin also triggered this. So let as a conclusion, why I'm making this video and why I'm telling you these things. Sorry if my language is not so grammatically good. My English is not so grammatically good, but I'm working on it. And in the upcoming videos, I'll try to make it more more perfect. So sorry if you find my language not so communicable or appropriate. So okay, why I'm making this video, and as a conclusion, what I'm trying to say is, all these fear, anxiety, pain happens only because of your blocked root chakra. Yes, only because your root chakra is completely blocked. You don't have this is the reason why you are in these kind of energies all the time: fear, anxiety, pain, and sufferings, blah blah blah. So what is the remedy? How can we overcome this? So let me explain you. Self love. Love yourself. Your root chakra is blocked means you don't love yourself. Love yourself. Simply love yourself. Second, um, believe on God. I think it shouldn't be kept on second. It is the first thing that you have to do to heal your root chakra. To believe in God is the primary thing to heal your root chakra, your blocked root chakra. Believe on God. He does exist, but only when you believe Him. Okay, He does exist, but only when you believe Him. If you don't believe Him, then He will not help you. He won't help you. He will never help you. So believe on the divine, believe on the God, and He does exist. And he really does exist. The second thing, love yourself. just love yourself, respect your emotions, your feelings, your integrity, your dignity, your demands, your needs, everything, just respect yourself. And the third thing is meditate. Okay, meditation is the key. Why? Because I have removed most of my blockages from the root chakra only through meditation. Meditation has helped me to improve a lot. Root chakra meditation, and you can root okay, practice root chakra meditations, and it will definitely help you, definitely give you peace of mind, and will help you to heal your root chakra. So this was all for today. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.